I was recently on Ramsey Blankenship's podcast called Real Estate Investing, and he was asking about whether to use closing extensions in your offers. And how do sellers view closing extensions? How do brokers look at them? Let's take a listen to this one. Let's go!
Because I remember one of our offers said we would pay for extensions, and your feedback was it makes you look like you don't have the ability to close whenever you're already lining up extensions. How do you navigate? What's a good way to navigate that?
Again, it's all competition driven. Every seller is going to have a list of offers. And what are the other guys doing? Are the guys who are going to win this deal, do they have any extensions? Probably not. And so put your seller hat on. Extensions to a seller automatically means, for instance, if you have a 30-day due diligence and a 30-day close, and you have two options to extend closing 30 days, all that says is a 30-day due diligence and a 90-day close. That's all the seller thinks because you're already setting it up. But I think it's investor driven. I think I would shy away from any extensions whatsoever when you're in multiple offer situations. It just raises a red flag. It says you don't have lender relationships. It says you don't have vendor relationships to get the due diligence done on time. It says to the seller, you're going to spend a good bit of your time trying to raise the capital to even close on it. Like, these are all the things that a seller has in their head because they're not you. They don't know how the inner workings of your company. All they see is black and white in a document, and they're going to let their minds go to the maximum. And you can explain all you want why you're asking for that extension. They're looking at 8 other guys who don't have it.
And who better asks in a market on what appropriate offer is than a dang broker who sees the transactions? Because what you said earlier is right.
Yeah.
Us as buyers aren't privy to what other buyers are putting in, especially on one individual asset. Like, we're all keeping our cards close to our chest. We're not talking about what our offers are.